Quick demo, full transit, Starline S96 alarm system. Simply arm the alarm through the factory remote. You can also disarm the alarm system through the factory remote. This is a driver ID tag. Every installation you get 2 of these tags. If this van is unlocked and this tag is not present, not only will the alarm sound, it will call your mobile phone and it will also trigger the factory horn of the vehicle. It's very, very loud. It's an optional extra which we add as standard at the moment. Driver ID tag, one of the most important parts of the alarm system. Every time you unlock the vehicle and the tag is present, you can get inside the vehicle, key in the ignition, and the vehicle will start no problem at all. If we unlock the vehicle and get inside with no driver ID tag, after about 10 seconds, the alarm starts to warn us to let us know that it can't see the tag. If it doesn't see the tag, the alarm will sound and your phone will ring. The system also has shock sensor, tilt sensor, motion sensor. So when the vehicle is armed, if the vehicle is jacked up, moved on the back of a lorry, or someone tries to start to break into the vehicle, the alarm will sound and obviously call your mobile phone. As well as the front of the vehicle, the rear load area is also protected with a microwave sensor. When this vehicle is armed, as soon as the door opens and there's movement inside, the alarm will trigger. As well as 2 driver ID tags, a pin override, which can be entered here in case you lose your tag. There's also a mobile phone app. On the app you can also disarm the alarm system, and that is also where you'll be sent all your alerts. So every time someone's banging on your vehicle, you'll get an alert. When the credit of the tracker runs low, you can also see the live location of the vehicle 24 hours a day. You can see which doors are open and closed. If you forget to arm your alarm system, you can arm it through the app as well. If you're, I don't know, say at the top of a tower block and you're at the top, someone needs something out the back of the van, simply go onto the app, unlock the van. Once they're finished, simply go back on the app again and you can arm the alarm system again. There's no need to run up and down the stairs. Places like this is perfect for tradesmen.